All right, what's good, YouTube? This is Gbpusd coming back at y'all with another video. Now listen, today we're talking the technical analysis for 12/18/2022. Merry Christmas to y'all before we even get started any less than that. You feel me? But let's get right into it. All right. Right now we're marking off supply and demands or support and resistance zones right now. You know what I'm saying? So the fact we see these touches here, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of touch there, a little bit of touch there. Now we're not gonna really do the whole chart. We just, doing relevant areas. Just stand ahead of the game a little bit right there. What the hell's going on with this shit? All right, right there, and we're gonna go down a little time frame now. Right now, just to talk about this, we see a buy, and this is a lot of momentum, guys. A lot of fucking momentum. All right, now, with this being a lot of momentum, it has to retrace. You know what I'm saying? This is the area I think is going to retrace to before it goes for that next buy. If it does have a continuation for that buy, but we're gonna just let the market talk for us. You know what I'm saying? This is what we all looking at. This is just possibilities that you got to understand. You always want to know every possibility when it come down to walking down this chart for real. I'm telling you, you want to understand every possibility. But we're going to mark out the 4-hour time frame, and we not, like I said, we ain't gonna do everything. We ain't gonna mark off everything for the sake of the video being not being too long. But for the 4-hour, we really marking off majorly supply and demand. You know what I'm saying? Like majorly supply and demand. We kind of more lenient on the supply and demand than it is than support and resistance. All right, that's how I mark off the chart. You know what I'm saying? This is what I do. All right. So we go to, as you can see here, we had a ascending chart pattern here. We caught that last week, bro. Yeah, last week I ain't lie. I was like, yo, we did that. You know what I'm saying? Only and not too many people, you know what I'm saying, really saw the video, but man, I predicted that. So nice. You feel me? It was so nice, and it broke through, came back here, retraced. And it formed a, you know what I'm saying, I seen that double top here. As you can see right here, is a double top. Right here, caught that too. Dropped. Easy money. It was a big TP. You talking about big TP. Big TP right there. Big drop. I'm talking about caught it from here on down. Big drop. So right now, we're in the area of confluence. All right. So we're in the area of, I believe we're gonna really sit right here for a little minute for it's going to consolidate here because it's really Christmas, and most of the time nothing really happens on Christmas, but I do think it's going to come up here to this purple line here, and retrace. But like I said, like I always say, you got to watch the market, let us see what's going to happen, but you have to know the possibilities. All right, now if it's really a good time to buy right now, I don't really think it's going to really go any kind of up wave until at least tonight. So it'd be a nice time to really buy, but all in all, I'll probably catch you a one-on-one, but we ain't gonna get into that. All in all, I think it's gonna really, either have a confluence or have a break. There's no major buy that's gonna happen right now. It's just not. All right, we're just gonna keep it a buck. It's gonna have a little breakout right here, if anything. But like I always say, we're gonna walk down the candlestick patterns, and the candlestick's gonna talk for us. We ain't gonna do too much. We won't do too much when it come out of this shit right here now. But we're gonna let that market talk for us. All right, we just know what's going on before we can make the right move. All right. So it's retracing right now, a little momentum. All right, a little momentum for that buy. You know what I'm saying? Not much at all. So you really should look for a retracement into the zone right here. All right. Like I always say, it's the origin of the buy. All right, that's what you're looking at. That's what you should be looking at, is the origin of the move. I don't know why the hell it's skipping like this, but it's really the origin of the move that really makes this. You know what I'm saying? That's really where the move is going to happen, right here in this area here. So if it touches this, you know what I'm saying? That's why I say it's really a good time to buy now. Set that SL down here. It's all about how you like to catch your pips, you know what I'm saying? I just like to, I see the move. I don't overthink it type shit. I don't like to wait too long. So, but to each his own. I'm just letting y'all know what's going on, you know what I'm saying? Like, wow, catch that and go on with the move, you know what I'm saying? That's what it is. All right, they got confluence here, so It's a lot of it. So I really do believe that it's gonna really just this is just the area it's gonna really sit at. But like I always say, you wanna wait it out, let the channel because after this big drop especially, it's gonna form it's gonna form a chart pattern. So you're gonna wait on this chart pattern here, which is not really all the way done, but it looks like it's just forming kind of a you can't really tell yet what it's going to do, but I believe it's going to consolidate for the next couple days before it actually have another move. But it might drop throughout this week. You never know for sure. But you just gotta just letting y'all know what's going on, man. I believe that's the end of the video, man. That's all I really can give y'all in this short period of time, man. This is IQ Invested. If you like the video helped you in any kind of way, leave a like down below. And if you like this kind of, footage, go ahead and subscribe and get with me. We can always drop. I'm gonna always be dropping videos like this on a weekly basis, and we definitely gonna be giving y'all lessons on market structure soon. So this is IQ Invested. Peace.